in this video, I'm going to show you a revolutionary way using which we are going to turn YouTube trending videos, YouTube videos which are getting millions of views into blog posts. And we are going to capitalize on that. If we have like ads set up on our website, we can actually make a lot of revenue from that. So for doing that, all you need is this AI agent Arvow. So basically it's AI powered content writer. It also comes with a lot of feature. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the feature that turns YouTube videos into blog posts. Now, think logically. If a video is trending in like YouTube, there is like demand for it. Or what you can do is you can try searching for very specific videos that are related to your brand, related to your industry. So just to take an example, I bought this microphone few days back and I was facing like some issues, and I saw that a lot of people are watching these videos and basically they are ranking on like search of this YouTube. For instance, if they are searching here, there's a good chance they are also searching on Google. And I saw that a lot of people have not like written too many articles, like very good quality articles around these similar topics. So what we are going to utilize is basically you need a video that is getting a lot of attention, a lot of views, that can be over time, or basically that video is exploding. And if that video is related to your industry, we are going to turn that video into blog post. And once our articles start ranking, your revenue will start to grow. So this is the like basic concept. So for example, this is like a really good video, a review video. If I have a technological website, I have a review website. Basically what I can do is I can take this video and turn it into a blog post. So I can also take this video. So for example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL of this video. Then we are going to go into the dashboard of Arvow. And by the way, for using Arvow, you have to purchase a subscription. So it starts for as little as $39 and you can scale as you grow. So we are going to click here and you have to place this like URL here and you have to click on add video. So once your video has been added, you can see the video will be in this inputs tab. So here I have added these topics manually, but for YouTube, it is showing this YouTube icon. So that means that we are generating an article using a YouTube video. Then basically Arvow will ask you like two options, whether you want to generate the article in just under one click or you want to enhance the quality of the article. For doing that, what you can do is you can like, for example, if you want to translate it into another language, you can do is you can change the language from here. You can provide custom instructions as well. Say, for example, you can include like your brand name or like any specific information that you want in your article. After that, there are a lot of formatting options. So you can like choose any of these according to your need, and images are there as well. So you don't even have to create any image. It's going to automatically do the include the AI images in your article as well. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on generate article and Arvow will start with magic and it will start generating the article for us. So generally for generating article, it's going to like take a few minutes. So let's wait for it. After that, we will assess the quality of the article. We will and like what other features are there in Arvow as well, using which like you can publish the articles directly on your website or you can make modifications in the article. So let's wait for it to get completed. So Arvow is going to take some time depending upon the length of the video. So Arvow is done generating our article. So for viewing the article, you simply have to click on the URL here. After that, we are going to expand the view by clicking here. So guys, from this dashboard here, you can completely see the article which Arvow has produced. It has made it into a review article. The heading is good. It has included a table of content and it has also included the video itself through which you generated this article. So it has basically included a lot of information. It has tried to make it as unique and as like high quality as possible. And if you are using this tool, so basically it's a very powerful feature and you can turn like your competitors like YouTube videos, and if you are having a website, you can turn that into revenue stream as well. So all you have to do now is you can copy paste this or you can download this and you can start using Arvow right away. You can start turning videos that are getting millions of views on YouTube, and you can create your blog post, and you can also start getting like a lot of traffic organically. By the way, there are a lot of features in Arvow as well. For example, if you want to do the complete automation, you can create a feed here. And say, for example, if you want to add someone's YouTube channel, as soon as they publish any video, what Arvow will do is Arvow will create an article out of that video, and it will automatically publish that article onto your website. So there are a lot of powerful features that Arvow offers. And once again, let me quickly show you the pricing as well. I'm going to go to the Arvow website, and by the way, I'm going to place the website's link into the description of this video, so you can directly click on that link and you can start using Arvow right away. So starts from just $39 a month, and if you have like bigger plans, you can go with this $80 plan. And Arvow also provides an academy. Say, for example, if you are new to this digital marketing, this SEO growing website like niche, so what you can do is, this is the owner of Arvow. So he's going to teach you everything about SEO and how you can scale your business or your product. So I highly recommend that you go check this out. And for using Arvow, at least you need to have this basic plan. Also, you can also check these videos out, and I'll see you in next video.